Mind your business. Hold up. I will pick you up right now, sweetie. I will pick the baba up. I swear I replayed this thing the hair this week. Like the weekend I replayed it. So every week that's the plan. We unravel and then replate it. Wash it properly. So like yeah. I think that's good enough. I go in with my top class. This. I got this from the Cosmetica in Namibia. A little something from home, guys. I use this much. I don't know what I should be looking at. I don't know looking here or looking there. Because if I look there, the camera. I'm looking here. Now, why are you running up and down like this? Huh? Why? Huh, Nana? If you see me looking there, it's because I can see him in the mirror. Nana, why are you looking there? Why are you running up and down? So instead. Ah! Top class. Top fucking class. Guys, I'm a top class girl. Stuff hasn't worked for me ever. I just do this. And then what I'm left with is what I use. Since we've been installing Cederberg, I want it to be as moisturized as possible, and then
and you know it's so freaking serious. When he was on my back, I put him on my front because I'm tired.
huh?
You ain't gotta say a word, just walk that, let's get burned. Then we'll roll up 100 fucking blunts. All up in my mouth, now I'm all up in yo. This nigga got pounds of it, all up in his truck. Now we both look Asian.
Okay, Angel, I understand. I get it now. I do.
I got home. In the said 15 minutes, your girl gonna install the week. I don't have a hair blower. I got this week of a take a lot. It does not move. It's a, what do you call it? I call it a test week. I don't know what I did, but on one side there's no lace. On the other side you see the lace. So I don't know what I did, but I'm not mad. I obviously know there's like few things I need to tweak here, but I like it.
Nabaka.
Good morning, everybody. 6:30. 6 o'clock in bed. My son had a punani, so now I'm like, yeah, that's about it. Other than that, today we're gonna do most of our activities indoors. Hey, I'm gonna be baking some cinnamon rolls. Yay! I've got lots of discard. I don't know. I have to take out the discard jar from the fridge. Yeah, I have to take out the discard jar from the fridge and then maybe I'll get to room temperature. But I'll do all of it. I just need to bath Nolan first, or my little sweet potato first, and then we'll start with the day. Papa, here. Hello. In this camera. off to Cederberg this morning. So Nana and I quickly got dressed, and I am taking you guys along, okay? I still have not put on any of my rings. I'm gonna go do that, and then I'm done. So don't mind the mop in the background, eh? Rings on, baby's coming, little guy. Oh baby, you're gonna need a different box now. There's some more down there. There's some more.
Where are they actually sitting around? Where's the queen? We've got to find the queen.
How is she gonna look like? Is she gonna be bigger?
Yeah, but because they've just flown, it's probably not that big.
Whoa. You see what you're doing, love?
Yeah, this is where they had.
Whoa.
The whole valley is covered in smoke. Let me just go back. Oh gosh. The whole valley is covered in smoke. We have a fire coming towards us. So it might be coming over those mountains over there. Or it could come from down there and then burn those orchards of ours. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Bobby, please. Oh my God. Yeah. On my arms? Baby, I never used to have that. Yeah, the working outs are paying off.